Understanding patient demographics and location data is vital in enhancing healthcare accessibility and improving decision-making processes. This health checkup analysis dashboard incorporates powerful geomap visuals that provide actionable insights into patterns and trends. In this dashboard, it highlights patient locations. Each marker represents the density of patients, helping healthcare providers identify regions with higher patient concentration. This insight is crucial for planning mobile health units, optimizing clinic locations, or designing outreach programs. When integrated with other visuals, the geomap becomes even more powerful. For instance, monthly trend of patient visits. Overlaying location data with monthly trends helps analyze seasonal patterns. For example, specific regions might see a spike in visits during certain months. Distance between hospital and patient location. Combining geomaps with distance data can help identify patients traveling long distances for checkups. This allows healthcare providers to consider setting up satellite clinics in underserved areas. Age and gender distribution. Understanding the demographics of patients in particular locations enables the tailoring of healthcare services to meet specific needs. For example, an area with a high number of senior citizens might require specialized services. By utilizing the geomap alongside these visuals, healthcare providers can better understand the who, when, and where of patient visits, enabling more strategic decision-making. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.